Hello. So today we will discuss about idea on which you can do your uh, project or PhD research, or you can do it as an uh, internship. This is a project idea which is contemporary, useful, and from some of the most popular problems that we are dealing with presently. The title of the project is Coastal Salinity Measurement Device. Selection of location for sensor arrangement. The main objective of this internship is, or this project idea is, that you have to find the most optimal locations for a group of sensors that will constantly monitor the salinity of a coastal sea water. Why this is important is because of various factors. For example, for example, for example, coastal zones are nowadays subject to fluctuations in salinity caused by tides, precipitation, river discharge, and anthropogenic factors. Now, although the first uh, three factors are impacting the salinity of coastal water for a long time, but the anthropogenic factors, these factors, the last one, the impact of this last factor was moderate or minimum in the last decade or last century. But currently, in recent years, the impact of anthropogenic factors are the maximum, which impact the salinity of coastal zones. Because in most of the places in the world, coasts are now used as a tourist attraction, where resorts, hotels, restaurants were opened. Lots of uh, water games has been launched in the coastal region. These are not new. They were present in, suppose, in the last 50 years or 100 years also. But the impact and intensity of these activities has increased manyfold. Without any regulations in place, they have uncontrollably rised in the recent years. As a result, contaminants from these installation, that means the hotels, restaurants, your resorts, homestays, and also from the games or various water games that we play there, various water rides that we uh, enjoy whenever we go to a coastal area. All of them are contaminating the seawater with organic as well as inorganic wastes, right? So these are contributing to the fluctuation or rapid fluctuations in water salinity of nearly most of the, or I will say nearly all of the coastal regions. So there's a need, urgent need for monitoring this salinity, right? Otherwise,